It just clamped and I missed it. Maybe it will again. It's not making the good sound effect like it did right before. I just want to get one good clamp.
Oh! Ah, here we go.
Let me see it clamp.
Oh, I gotta get it open first. Oh, jeez.
Oh, God, be careful.
Brad!
Get it I slice my finger off.
You're so reckless.
Come on. Ow!
What bit you?
The shell did. Ow. Open wide for mommy. Alright. I'm just not gonna. Oh! I'm not gonna mess with this one. Ooh. I wish I had the knife the other way.
Oh, it's another opening.
Yeah, there it goes.
I think I cut it.
You killed it.
I didn't kill it.
Did it move?
Yeah, did you see it?
Yeah, I think your finger wasn't in there. I really think if your finger's in there and it clamps like that, you can cut your finger down to the bone.
Break it. Well, I don't know if it's sharp enough to cut your finger.
Some of it looks really sharp, though. The edges of that,
Yeah.
it looks really sharp.
Oh, it would hurt. Yeah, it would hurt. I'm sure that's happened. He's had it happen to him. Yeah. Yeah, if you didn't cut all the muscle. That's a lot of work.
You know what they say in the Tao of Pooh?
What?
Oh, I love that.
When he tries to think about how to open a jar, he says, "When I try to open a difficult jar, I just unscrew it as hard as I can, and then I unscrew it a little bit more." I think about that every time I try to open a jar.
Oh, really?
Just go as hard as you can.
That's a good life
a little
lesson.
bit more.
We have more to go.
Oh,
my gosh.
that was quite a chore.
Great
job. Ooh, this little guy has a big muscle in it. Bigger than you thought. You know, I thought.